Welcome to Rise and Inspire 88. If you're a woman or a senior who has carried too much for too long, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about something that many of us live silently: stress. Not the kind that comes and goes, but the kind that lingers, builds, and quietly chips away at our health, our joy, and our peace of mind. Many of us have lived for years in survival mode, taking care of others, being strong, staying silent. But now, it's time to take care of you. It's time to understand what stress is really doing to your body and mind, and how you can gently begin to heal. Let's take this journey together. When we're stressed, the body activates its fight or flight response. This was designed to protect us from danger. But when stress is constant, from bills, loneliness, trauma, or caregiving, our body stays in a state of emergency. Hormones like cortisol and adrenaline flood our system. Over time, this causes real damage. The brain struggles to focus or remember. The heart beats harder, increasing the risk of high blood pressure. Muscles stay tense, causing back, neck, and jaw pain. The immune system weakens, making it easier to get sick. Skin loses its glow, hair thins, weight changes unpredictably, sleep becomes difficult, joy feels far away. For women, this stress often goes unspoken, and for seniors, it's dismissed as just aging. But stress is real, and it is treatable. Stress isn't just in your head. When you're constantly worried, overthinking, or emotionally drained, your body reacts as if you're in danger. Your heart beats faster, your digestion slows, your immune system weakens. Over time, you may notice you're always tired, even after sleeping. You forget things, you feel emotionally numb, or irritated for no reason. Your skin ages faster, and your hair may thin. Your body starts to ache, especially your back, neck, or head. Beyond the body, stress does something even deeper. It begins to harden the heart. You might feel emotionally drained, like you have nothing left to give, hopeless, like joy is behind you, anxious, worrying about things you can't control, numb, detached from people you love. These aren't weaknesses. These are signs that your soul needs rest. As women and elders, we are taught to stay strong, but true strength includes knowing when to pause, when to heal, when to say, "I need peace," and that peace is possible. Why women and seniors are most affected. Women carry generations of emotional labor. Caregivers, peacemakers, nurturers. Many women carry invisible wounds from past abuse, heartbreak, being silenced or overlooked. Seniors carry memories, grief, fear of decline, or feeling forgotten. Society often ignores their emotional needs, but inside, the stress remains. If this is you, know this: your experiences matter. Your emotions are valid. Your healing is not too late. How to heal naturally and gently. Let's talk about healing. Not loud, rushed healing, but gentle, spiritual, natural healing. 1. Daily breath work and stillness. Sit quietly. Place one hand on your chest. Feel your breath. Inhale peace. Exhale pain. You don't need fancy techniques. Just listen to your breath. Your breath will guide you home. 2. Herbal teas and soothing rituals. Drink chamomile, lemon balm, or ashwagandha tea. Light a candle. Play calming music. Let your tea time be sacred. 3. Crystals for emotional balance. Use rose quartz for love, lapis lazuli for peace, Amethyst for emotional release. Hold them during prayer, meditation, or journaling. 4. Evening emotional check-in. Ask yourself before bed, what did I carry today? What can I release? Cry right. Speak to yourself kindly. 5. Gentle movement. Stretch, walk slowly. Do seated yoga. Movement clears stagnant stress. Your body craves flow, not pressure. These steps aren't just habits, they are forms of spiritual self-rescue. A closing message from the heart. Dear woman, dear elder, you are not alone. You are not too late, not too broken, not forgotten. You are sacred. You deserve to breathe deeply again, to laugh without guilt, to rest without apology. Stress may have been stolen. You're light for a while, but your soul is still shining. Beneath it all, let's begin again. Together, one gentle step at a time. Subscribe to Rise and Inspire 88. This space is for you, for your healing, your strength, your story. Until next time, be well, be safe, be soft, and stay strong.